morning guys, welcome back to a new video. So I'm actually drinking a smoothie right now. I'm almost done with it, but I made a strawberry banana smoothie. It's super good and I haven't had a smoothie in a really long time, and the fruit was going like a little bit bad, but I was just like, okay, let me just make a smoothie because I don't want to throw the fruit away. And when it gets like soft and stuff, like it's kind of gross, so I just use it to make smoothies. But yeah, it's really good. I'm drinking this, but I woke up today and my throat was kind of like hurting, like burning and itching, and I don't know why. So I found these little like herb cough little like pill things, like honey things, and I don't know how to call it, but I'm gonna take one of these because my throat is like killing me right now and I don't want to get sick. And when this happens to my throat, it's like my like cold is starting, so I don't want to get sick, so I'm gonna take that. And yeah, and then we're gonna go on a walk and we're gonna have a very fun and good day. I want to have a good day today. I'm in a good mood. I'm just in the spirit of having a good day, a little life is good moment. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this, take my cough drops, and then go on a walk. Okay, I've never tried this, so let's try it out. Looks like this. I've had, but not this brand. I've had like the other brand that's like super famous, but it tastes like green leaves. It tastes healthy, so hopefully this works. And we're trying it out. We've never been here and we're gonna eat breakfast. So we're at Design District right now and we're gonna walk around. So I just finished eating chipotle. It was so good. I'm like so bloated though, like I'm so full, but it was honestly so good. I haven't had chipotle in such a long time and I was craving it, so we stopped and got some before coming back home. But now I'm going to online shop because I have a gift card from Aloe that I want to use up, and so I'm gonna like online shop, see if I find anything. I've been looking recently but I never really found anything that I liked, but I really want to like use this gift card. So I'm gonna go on the Aloe website and just scroll and see if I could find anything. I'm looking for a workout like tank top kind of thing or biker shorts because those are two things that I'm kind of in need of. And since I have the gift card, then I'm gonna take advantage of that. So I'm gonna look and see if I find anything, and then I'll let you guys know if I do anything else after. Okay, so it's currently like 6:40 and my friend that I haven't seen in a really long time just texted me and asked if I wanted to go to the beach for a little bit, and I'm like, sure. So I got dressed and I'm going to the beach to meet up with my friend and just like catch up and have like a little beach moment, little date. So yeah. Okay, so I'm home and my friend just left. We came here and we ate dinner. We baked some cookies as you guys saw, and we were just like listening to music and just like having fun, catching up and stuff. And I just took off my makeup and I washed my face and I'm gonna get ready for bed. But I wanted to show you guys what I got from Target earlier today when I went to Target. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick little haul and then I'll do like my nighttime routine and all that. First thing I got are these slides. I've been wanting these slides for a really long time and I just never like found the perfect pair. But these look really cute and comfortable and they don't weigh anything, so it's super good. And I got them in a size 6. Usually I'm a size 8 or like 7.5. But I think they run kind of big, so I just got it in a 6, but they're really comfortable. Then I got this Monday's shampoo. I didn't find the matching conditioner, so I didn't get it, but it smells really good, and I've been hearing amazing things about this shampoo, so I wanted to give it a try. And it says it's for frizzy and dull hair, and I have very frizzy and poofy hair, so I feel like this is gonna be super good, and it's very healthy too. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, and all of that, so I'm really excited to try it out. Then I got this micellar water. I use this to take off my makeup, and it's honestly my holy grail. I love this product so much. I got this She Sugar Scrub for exfoliating in the shower, and it smells super good. It's the scent Moroccan Rose, and I smelled it in the store. It smells really good, and it looks like this. Very good. Then I got this drugstore concealer. I use this for class and when I don't actually really care about my makeup. I don't want to waste my expensive makeup, so I just use this one, and I got it in the shade 115. Then I got this I'm Lavender mask sheet. I've never tried a mask sheet and I've been wanting to try it for a really long time. It hydrates your skin and I have pretty dry skin at times, so I really want to give this a try and see what the hype is about. And then I got some traveling things. So I got these travel baby wipes, I got this travel toothpaste, and I also got this travel mouthwash. I love Target so much. It's my favorite store ever. They literally have everything there, and every time I go I just find like so many cool things and like products that literally no other store has. I just love them so much. I love you, Target. Okay, so I'm gonna close the video off right here. I hope you enjoyed coming along my day. This was a little life is good vlog. It was a little day in my life, but fun edition. So I did things that make me happy and I find super fun. So like going to brunch, going shopping, hanging out with my friend, going to the beach, baking cookies, all those kinds of things just make me super happy and make me really enjoy the present moment. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll be back with more.